I'm against this labeling of Gen Zs and Gen Xs and baby boomers.
Yes.
I think that
Hi, could you quickly introduce yourself?
yes, hi, I'm Survi. I do all things human. This is my 18th year of working with adults, facilitating, doing a lot of behavioral work for them and helping them succeed in their lives.
Amazing. So, Survi, can you quickly tell me what are three things which you see while you work with adults
Yeah.
that are surfacing from their childhood?
One comes to blanket statements like हमारे जमाने में एक डांट पड़ती थी और चुप हो जाते थे. आज की जनरेशन टॉक्स बैक अ लॉट.
Yep.
टॉप टू हमारे जमाने में मेहनत करते थे और ग्रांटेड नहीं लेते थे चीजों को, बट आज के जमाने में तो मेहनत ही नहीं करनी है, काम ही नहीं करता है. सो थिंग्स
Yeah.
लाइक दैट.
Yeah.
एंड अनदर थिंग दैट कीप्स पॉपिंग अप इज डिसिप्लिन. बहुत जरूरी है. हमारे जमाने में डिसिप्लिन होता था, स्केड्यूल होता था. आज के बच्चे आलसी हैं. So it's
Yeah,
blanket statements.
Absolutely.
And the part of work that I do, I try to hold myself back and not deny of their experience, but also look at the pattern here. These are coming from rigidity. These are
Yeah.
coming from places where time has frozen for them, and they feel that what holds true for them should hold true for
Yeah.
this next generation.
And what are three things which you do out
Yeah.
of so many things which we might be
Yeah.
doing to break this notion of हमारे ज़माने में?
Yeah. So just question. Bring in a question, a soft, non-judgmental question. All right. How much of that worked for you?
Yeah.
And what were the times like back then for you?
Yeah.
What were the opportunities back then for you? And now, how are the opportunities now? What are the times now? And then connecting it back to just making these people think, right? And they're coming from some place, so making
Yeah.
them think. They're saying, if that did not work there or that worked here, do you think with the times will it work?
Yeah.
How much of that works?
Yes.
And also, I'm against this labeling of Gen Zs and Gen Xs and baby boomers.
Yes.
I think that we need fewer labels.
Right.
We need more larger understanding of how the market and the environment has changed.
Right.
I think that allows for a lot of fluidity then in the conversation.
That's right.